What's up guys, and welcome back for another video. If you're tuning in for the first time, I'm Ashley, and today we're going to be doing a hairstyle as well as a luxury unboxing haul type of situation. I went ahead and picked up a headpiece from Gucci. I've definitely been more into designer accessories, even more than handbags lately, because we are in quarantine. I just find that when I buy handbags, I seldom switch them out just for right now. So it's better to like buy headbands and pieces that I can wear throughout the day, throughout the week, that will give me my luxury fix without having to like splurge or go over. So we will be featuring this headband here. I also got the shoes to match. So if you're interested in seeing how I got the look, the wand curls, and all of that, keep on watching. Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's going to be a talk through hair tutorial on how I install my wigs. Super quick and easy. Today is my godmother's 50th birthday. Happy birthday, Gigi. So we are headed to her house to celebrate. It's going to take us 2 hours to get there and 2 hours to get back. So I'm not going to be able to film tonight. So I wanted to do it really quickly before we go. So I thought I would share with you guys how I install my wigs when I'm in a rush. This one is a long, beautiful body wave wig. Link and details are all in the description box. Excuse the noise in the other room. Hubby's playing Black Ops and the kids are running around. So this is literally going to be how I try and get like a wig installed in like 15 minutes. This one comes from a company called LabHairs. If I am not mistaken, I believe this is my first time working with this company. This is the packaging. What I noticed, they gave me one of these baby hair brushes, and I like this one because it has a rat tail in, which you guys know a rat tail is the key to a good parting. It's also white, which I've never seen before, so I really like that. They gave me wig caps, and then they gave me one of these OG brushes, which if you know, like in the 90s as kids, we always had these, and it's like a comb brush type of situation that you put in your purse. You open it up, and on one end there's a mirror, and on the other end this pops out and it's a brush. So this is like literally bringing back old school vibes. Like, give me this and give me some lip gloss. And when I was like 5, 10, 6, 7, 8, 9, that age range, it was always one of these and some of the rollerball lip gloss, one of those in my purse with like some change and maybe some money. So I'm gonna stop rambling because we have to get out of the door in literally like 30 minutes. So let's go ahead and get started. Because this is going to be a quick install, I don't have time to play with products that are like new or unfamiliar. So we're going to go with the old faithfuls. We're going to cut off the excess lace, bound her down with this. We're going to use this pair with the electric hot comb to flatten everything out at the crown. And then we may possibly do some baby hair, and if we do, we're going to use this. And then from there, we're going to do some fun loose wand curls. One thing I will say is this one fits really snug on my head. The elastic band that is in the back helps. Also note that because that elastic band is there, it's gonna pull the side or the sideburns backwards, so you don't have that flap to the sideburns here. If I take this elastic band off, this will pull forward. It's literally pulling the wig down to make it tight to the head. Because we're in a rush, and a lot of times when I do sideburns in a rush, they end up lifting. I'm actually okay with this wig going behind the hair. We're gonna do a center part finesse, and we're not gonna do sideburns. now it's time for baby hair. I'm actually going to use the item that they provided, and we are going to do We are going to be wearing a Gucci headband. In this one, I unboxed this one in a luxury haul. I think that's going to go up after this video. So if you haven't already seen that, subscribe and stay tuned. That should be up either later today or tomorrow. So I'm going to be wearing that headband. So I'm going to keep it simple with the style. See me ducking down, sorry about that. I'm not gonna use no comb and brush. We're gonna just see if we can get this done super quick. Struggle-less. Look how pretty these look. Okay, so we got half complete in like all of 5 minutes. You guys seen I didn't use a comb or brush or anything like that, so I am gonna refinesse the top, but I just kind of wanted to drop in, you know, just be fun, flirty curls. Like this is like, you can't just leave it like this. You either gotta wet it, you gotta press it, you gotta put some curls. So the cord is short. I'm gonna do the other side off camera, and then I'm gonna come back and reveal the hairline. Okay, so we are done with the look. I'm pretty sure there are a few strings in here that probably need to be touched up, like back here. I'm just gonna spray it with a little bit of hairspray. And that looks beautiful. The parting does need a little bit of concealer. Okay, so I'll go around and touch up the pieces that, you know, need to be touched up. Honestly, I probably won't because it's time for me to get my girls ready, but I just wanted to show you guys the finished results. I love the fact that this is a fake scalp because you don't have to do too much. The parting definitely could use some powder to just match the color of my scalp, but if I didn't want to do it, it still would look okay. Again, this was meant to be a messy look, but the star of the show is the baby hair. Absolutely love the way it came out. I can go back in and comb it, but again, I have a 2-hour ride to my godparents' house, so I'll pretty much just mess with my hair along the way. I just wanted the hot tool process to be done. I'll try to get some pictures before I go so you guys can see how beautiful this install came out. Again, she came from LabHairs, and this hair is absolutely gorgeous. So let me know what you think of this one. Oh, I did an unboxing of this. I just did a luxury haul. I just have to edit it, but the theme of my godmom's party is denim in white. So I'm gonna go ahead. I got some cute new denim slides. I wanted to do a reel with this unboxing, but I'm out of time. I still have to get the kids ready, so I'm just gonna go ahead and put it on. Everything always comes together like once you do your hair, your makeup, and all that. So I am just gonna sit it in there. That looks cute. Or should I put it all the way in the front? That is super cute, and it's gonna, because the curls are gonna drop, and once I put on my little denim outfit, it's gonna look beautiful. So I hope you guys enjoyed this look. Thank you guys so much for watching, and as always, I'll see you in the next one. Smooches!